Yo, welcome to Mercury Reacts. Today we are continuing Konosuba. We'll also be ending the first season here today, and that means there will also be a tier list update at the end of the video. Okay, so I decided to make it 2 videos, but I will be uploading them at the same time, not exactly the same time, like 2 hours apart or something like that. So don't worry, it's still going to be out basically at the same time. At the end of last episode, the Destroyer randomly showed up. They were like mocking him the whole time. He's actually just arrived randomly at the end of last episode, so very excited. Let's get into episode 10. Destroyer alert, straight to it. Kazuma! Yep, they didn't answer him. They're constantly just making jokes about it. To fight it. Yeah, can't let their house get destroyed. I don't know about this plan though, like, if all these people are running away from the fight, it's probably not a good idea to run towards that fight. I mean, even Darkness is afraid of this guy, like, you need to watch out, you know? What is that thing? How would you even destroy that thing? Oh. It's supposed, yeah. The balancing in this game is so wrong. She just said she doesn't know. But Megumin! We have her, don't we? The crazy one. The crazy one. It's all pointing towards Megumin. No! Don't call her the crazy one. Right here and now. Now! Calm down, Megumin. You only have one shot. Wait, isn't this Wiz? Okay. I mean, she is a Devil King leader. Yeah, why is she so famous? No level requirement, yeah, because they're literally fighting for their lives. Oh, Darkness just on the front lines. Oh no. Forget what I said, like Darkness running away. She's on the front lines just waiting for this thing. Yes. Yep. You're literally standing right there. It's gonna have some soppy backstory. Dustiness. Bro, what? Ah, she gave herself a fake name and it's still horrible. She went from Dustiness to Darkness. Oh wait, that's a surname. Yeah. I want to slap her, bro. What? Oh, damn. Okay. Bro, he's kind of pulling. Last episode, he saw way too much. Now he's suddenly like... Don't call me by that name. Yeah. Calm down, bro. What is that thing, bro? It just doesn't look like it should be part of this anime. Like, it just looks like it's like copied onto this anime. Like, what? It's like a fan edit. Megumin shitting bricks. From the highest ranked undead, yeah. I am strong, yeah, let's go Megumin! Staff just spawned in. Okay. Her abilities look so cool, but for the most part it just doesn't do anything. Hopefully it actually helps. Oh bro, that looks sick. That barrier looks nuts. Okay. This music's a jammer. Come on, Aqua. What's with that shot? Okay, what? Okay. Okay, Darkness is just an NPC, bro. She's just standing there. Come on, Megumin. Don't throw. Can't even throw that thing. Okay, that's the perfect motivation. Even worse than mocking my name, yep. Let's go, Megumin. Let's go. That's all I need to do. Let's go. Oh wait, they use the same explosion magic. Explosion. Let's go. Bro, this looks sick. I wonder why it's different colors. Just to show it. I just feel like this just isn't going to work. Like, I have no faith, which is bad. Oh wait, it actually tumbled. What's your plan? Just standing there looking cool. Okay, she ended up looking rather cool, so I guess it works. She's just laying there. Oh. Far exceeds my own. Oh no. Yep, that's sad, man. And she's actually still standing. Getting married? Are you mad? Yeah, three in a bunch of fuckers. That seems bad to just stand up again. Yep. It's just alive again, I knew it. Self-destruct sequence. It's gonna be a oh, that's atomic bomb, you can already tell. And they're just screwed now, like they completely messed it up. No. She likes this way too much. It's like nothing I've felt before. Bro! This isn't even like something like that she can't even enjoy. She'll instantly be dead. Like, no matter how weird you are, you can't enjoy this. Like, you're gonna be instantly dead. I am Kazuma. Wait, where are you charging? Now they're all gonna go towards it. Wait, what? I owe the city so much. Ah, I see. Yep, the succubus, all of them. Oh no. They've been enjoying that way too much. That's the reason for protecting the city, literally. Sad, actually. It's not even really, it's dreams. Isn't it just gonna like speed up the explosion? What is their plan though, running around in this thing? There isn't any enemies or anything, it's just a massive robot. Aqua, what? Useless goddess, yeah. What was that? He's shouting, bro. Something did. Yeah, he was just sitting there dying eventually. There's one of those cases where he gives them something totally impossible to do, and then they actually pull it off, like, for no reason. Yep, he actually has to do it now. He didn't even want this to happen, he's just sitting in this thing as it's happening. I'm satisfied, yep. I'll spend the rest of my life right here, why? Must be an idiot, it's literally you. I was the one responsible for creating. Yeah, he was a dumbass. Oh no. He doesn't even know how to stop it. There isn't a way to stop it. Oh, super. I love the transitions. You do something bad this what? You're supposed to be the goddess, Aqua. She used all her magic. Wait, what's going on here? Let me suck it out. With pleasure. He didn't. Bro didn't even hesitate. He doesn't even know what she wants to suck. He didn't even hesitate. It's all yours. He didn't even question it. With pleasure. No, thank you. Okay. I'm about to become an adult in this parallel world. Oh no. Drain touch. No, he didn't even get kissed. Unlucky, bro. But he's turning into a zombie. Bro, almost got killed. What a letdown. Yeah, now he looks like an old man. He just drained all of him. Oh no, the poor guy. He didn't even hesitate that it led to that. It's own fault. Some random people are gonna die. I'll take responsibility. No! He's about to kill a whole village. It's not over yet. This thing is still alive. What is going on? The internist thought he is happy. Yeah, this thing is just like overeating. Where are you staring? It's something or other. Oh wait, you just learned. Oh yeah, you learned that skill earlier. Yeah, you just took a magic. Oh yeah, that's a problem. It's gonna be darkness. Wait, what? Oh, that... I don't know, I call it darkness, yeah. I thought she was like up and running again. I was like, wait, no way, but no, she's just being carried again. Uh-huh. I'll show you true explosion magic. Can you really use it again though? He doesn't get it all. Haha, got a toss of chest. Wait, what? Oh, she's touching her neck, calm down. Yeah. She's touching their necks, it's not that bad. No, stop it! Megumin, no! She's enjoying it though. Just a little bit more, oh no. He's literally gonna kill all of you. The explosion magic is about to destroy the wall again. Then they're gonna be back into depth. That's not good. Look at all those circles. She even threw the eye patch aside. Okay, she absorbed way too much. Explosion! Bro, what? Yeah, they're done. They're done. Yeah, you just killed everyone. So much for removing the whole ass atomic bomb thing. You just made it yourself. It's over, uh-huh. Okay, at least it doesn't look like there's any casualties. Okay, cool. I don't know, man. I was quite thrilling. Oh, this guy's working in a farm now. That's hilarious. He's nothing without his sword. Wait, shouldn't they have like gotten a bunch of money from protecting them from the destroyer? I don't think so. It's gonna be something dumb like you destroyed a bunch of shit, get rolled. Or maybe they actually get money. We'll see. Yep. Hey, that's me. Oh no. Wait, what? Ah, yep. The teleported thing. Oh no, where did it go? Uh-huh. Next to me just calling me, yep. Yep. I completely forgot about that. Of course it went south, of course. Another chance to get a parallel world. He wants to get out again. He goes back to Japan. He just wants to get out. Huh? There's one episode left. No. Kazuma's a criminal. He's basically a killer, like, he surely killed the people, like, that just doesn't make sense because surely there's gonna be someone in the house, you know? But yeah, on to the next video. I already, like I said, it's already basically uploaded, so you can check that out. See you guys in a minute. Take care.